Hi there, friends. If you're wondering how to log out of Snapchat on your Android phone, you've come to the right place. Whether you're switching to another account, using a shared device, troubleshooting the app, or simply taking a break from social media, Snapchat makes it easy to sign out. Doesn't delete your account, chats, or memories. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Once the app loads, you'll be on the camera screen. From here, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account and settings. Next, tap the settings icon or peep in the top right corner of the screen. This opens the settings menu, which contains all of Snapchat's account and privacy options. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page until you find the logout option. Tap logout. Snapchat may ask whether you'd like to save your login information on the device. If you're using your personal phone and want to sign in faster next time, you can choose yes. If you're using a shared or public device, it's safer to select no, so your account details aren't stored. Finally, tap logout again to confirm your choice. Within a few seconds, Snapchat will sign you out and return you to the login screen. Don't worry, logging out does not delete your account, photos, memories, friends, or chats. Everything remains safely stored in your account and will be available the next time you sign in. Done. Logging out is that simple. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more easy to follow Android and social media tutorials.